Caramba, yo.
Yevi Gara Mumba 6 matangira takaita chachangeri 1 patakabva pa 1 takapinda pa 2 tabva pa 2 tikati pa 3 tikati taguma but kuramba tichiendera mberi ende chiri kundifadza zvikuitwa na prophet zvakawanda zvakuitika ndiri kuona nhasi pane ma giveaways ariko pane zvakawanda zvikuenda kuvanhu vakasiyana siyana celebrating our own pagara Mumba 6 chacha
because we have so much to give away from courtesy of Prophet Passion Java as well as Enzo has got something that he's going to give away as well. So tonight a lot is going to happen, and we also have a special somebody who's going to come in a bit later on. Yeah, that person Mawai.
Yeah, celebrating my legends edu zvaitwa na prophet chakatanga kudhara but kuti tusvike patsiri nhasi pane vakapave way for the arts industry. Saka nhasi tichaona vana vema legends, tichaona mamwe ma legends vachiri vapenyu vanosanganisira Parafini, Mukadota, muri kwa Mtiro wafanza,
James Chimombe,
vanenge vakamira Oliver Mtukudzi.
Yes.
Vakawanda saka nhasi zuva ranhasi kuti ramba uripo tenge tichirwa live ka?
Yes, we are live. And we are paying tribute to our legends. So tonight is a big night. You don't not want to miss this.
Ende usakangano modzi tribe vanenge vachitirovera mangoma vachita zviendeke pazvese.
And remember guys, we are broadcasting on various social media platforms. We are live on Zim Papers TV Network, YouTube, Stuart Nyamayaro YouTube channel, Zim Social Media News on Facebook. We're also live on Zim Celebs as well on Facebook. So do tune in wherever you want, you will catch us.
So kuti zviendeke unoziva tinoda kumbopembedza umwe yaenzvimbo waiziya timbopembedza umwe yaenzvimbo marasta
marasta akadira
yevi tosangana ni
well tisati tanyatsopinda marasta rasa tina Abisha and Tubat ndo vachativhurira show yedu as usual.
Caramba, yo.
Blessed love, blessed light, respecting manners all the time straight scene. Yama would upon it again, a thing called the special edition. This is Gara Mumba part 6. Me not tell no lie, you don't know tonight, it's going to be a good night, it's going to be a night to remember. This is history in the making, but above all, do remember to always stay at home. It's better to be safe than to be late. My name is Mr. Palmer. Shout out to my special DJ, the upon 1 and 2s. He goes by the name of DJ 2, but much love and respect is reaching out to the sponsor, the promoter of this Gara Mumba part 6. Big up to Prophet Passion Java, big up to Prophet Israel, not forgetting Boss Lashan, Yama, trust me. But right about now, I want to give thanks and praise to the Father God, the Almighty. DJ, give me some nice, righteous selection. You don't know, think of niceness. I saw a nice of the thing there. DJ, let's do this right now. Squeeze, Lego.
No answer, rise up in the morning. I give thanks and praises to the Most High. Give thanks.
We give thanks and praises each and every time. We'll give thanks and praises. We'll give thanks and praises right now. Life is a blessing. Let's be safe. God bless right about now. June.
You are here,
Selassie.
moving in our midst. I worship you.
We are worship the Creator.
I worship you.
We worship the Creator.
You are here,
Sing it loud now.
working in this place.
Sing along. Let's sing together.
I worship you.
Let's sing together right now.
I worship you.
If you believe in God, are you tuned this one?
You are here,
Say what?
turning lives around. Jaja, I worship you.
I worship you.
I worship you.
Hey.
You are here, meeting every need. I worship you.
Let Jah rise. Always enemies scatter. Sing it loud now.
Waymaker, miracle worker, promise keeper, light in the darkness. My God,
That is who you are.
yeah. Waymaker,
Miracle worker,
promise keeper, light in the darkness.
yes, my DJ.
That.
I will say let Jah rise and always enemies scatter. Gara Mumba part 6, we up and running. But right about now, we are paying a special tribute to all the great legends. Yeah, man, trust me, the people who set the PS for this musical and musical entertainment as well as comedy street scene. So right about now, we all come from different backgrounds, and we can't forget our parents, especially the grandparents. So right about now, it's a special dedication. All the people take some time to appreciate their great grandparents, DJ. Give me a tip of long time. Remember this track here. May I take you way back in time? May I take you way back? Let's go. Mark, get the youth to Murikweroko. Everybody go so. Hey. Hold on! We are up and running on all the social media pages. Yaman Zim Celebs are there. Yaman Zimbabwe social media platform is there as well. So make sure you like and share the page. Tell your neighbor, send your message to your neighbor right now that is happening. Let's do this. Gara Mumba Part 6. Squeeze the one, yeah. Yes, I can see the messages right now. Nico, later I go read out the comment section. Check. You're Rory. Well, you know somebody. Right about now, we don't have to give thanks and praise. Don't bother with Denga. DJ, watch the mix. Old school Zim dancer. Remember this one. Simu Tamoko. Hey. Richa we are jazzy. We are just getting started. Take it down low. Take it down low. The comment section is firing right now. Comment section, I can see those messages. You are live. This is happening live right now. But right about now, no matter where you come from, if you believe in God, the Lord will make you come to success. DJ, give me an inspiration to right now. Zim Danto, old school. Watch the mix right now. Tombo Namata, Niti. Get to youths. Hey. DJ. Boom, shell. Pull up that tune again one more time. I picture this one. Me not tell no lie. So we are setting the pace. We are setting the pace right now. Setting the pace. Let's go. Like and share the page. Like and share the page. Like and share the page right now. My love never likes. My love never likes. Hey. Tune. DJ, level. I will say blessed love. I will say blessed light. I will say respect and manners all the time. Straight scene. a thing called Music Emotions, Gara Mumba Part 6. Yeah, man, all cadets of Prophet Passion Java. Not forgetting Prophet Israel as well as Boss Lashan. Remember to like and share the page. I will say my love, never likes. My love, never likes. Tonight we are making history. A very good, nice lineup. Trust me, the artists, they are ready to come and show down the place. But right about now, we call this the early selection. We are just getting you in the mood because it's going to be a night to remember. History in the making. DJ, you don't know, this one is a special edition. And we can't forget all the massive who love music because music is a mission, not a competition. So right about now, Mr. Selector, take your time, build a vibe. Let's do this drop. Lego, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Original. So big. All the tongue when I'm a sitter. Can have the news a good to give me my guitar. Same Chris, skipper, cheap like no like that. DJ Mikey D, the one of them, but my Yamunda. Who can I go this as a shit? I can go to shit. I'm this, but my Yamunda. I'm going to no Dandaura, but my Yamunda. Who can I go this as a shit? I can go to shit. I'm going to no Dandaura. Ataka, tatanga, vachiti, no penga, terango malango, lauda. Patike, Akundika, Nagomadimbo, Panica Samu, Green City, Takanda, the book of Uzakoque. See about Torum and from the ghetto, from the ghetto. Let's as are you, ready as are you. No for them can stop this big Mario. As are you, What's Boverengai? Hadi Boverengai, hand. One drop, two drop, boom, shell. Pull it. It's all about entertainment. Chill spot. It's all about entertainment. Number 6, Gara Mumba. Go so. As are you, ready as are you. No for them can stop this big Mario. As are you, Basina crew, Fountain and levels up, boom, this are you. One drop, two drop, boom, shell. And over that you them say boom shelele. Every get a you ta element a boom shelele. Tell the boy no, musante. One drop, two drop, boom shelele. And over that you them say boom. It's a party. Every get a you ta element a boom shelele. Tell the boy them no, musante. I want to see everybody showing me a thing called love and likes. Remember, I say, I always say music is a fun thing. So right about now, we are using music as a remedy, as a medicine, yeah man, to take care of you mentally, spiritually, and physically. So right about now, DJ, give me a fire tune. Fire! Fire time now! Charge it. We are light up the fire, you don't know real. Fire time! Hey! What did she? Munu was it? Energy! Go so. Serious business! Hey! Porto! Are you ready? Everybody go so. Take it down low. My ghetto youths SM, we can't forget. Big up to all the ghetto youths. Remember, also life is what you make. It's right about now. All the ghetto youths, even though you're proud to be alive, and you're trying to play right now. DJ, give me a tune from last time. Remember this one. Original. Long time tune. Go so. Easy. Reach up to the one more time. We are light up the fire. Gara Mumba way. Number 6, this one wicked. Hey. From the ghetto.
Siyana nesume ku location. Atino no katino bata kupa quotation. Yema butu plaza bakero ni rotation. Izoso tino ita ku rotation. Iwewe siyana nesume ku location. Tino no katino bata kupa quotation. Yema butu plaza bakero ni rotation. Izoso tino ita ku rotation. Usata kudena isume ku kampo zuma ndino bejera upenyu wako.
Uno kuma.
Kuna dafu wanoroba kura yopo zuna. Ukatiza mapancho ano kupa kuna. Siyana negenga langu repafiyo. Arimbo patarino spray ya puti vankadio. Nokupisira mumba pamweche tene mudziyo. Usafunge kuti zvinono taurwa paredio. Usada kudenda kengare kumabhuku. Ndinotyisa fura soja rengo wanituku. Angava munhu mukuru kana kwana uku. Maraundi kika vanovhura haiwa makuku. Sakani siyana nesume rogesheni. Ndinonoketino bata kupa kotesheni.
Yes, I am.
Yemabutu plazi bakero ni rotesheni. Izoso
Yeah. I will say one time no crime. One time no crime. Tonight, we are remembering the great legendary artists, the great legendary comedians. We are represent Africa as well as Zimbabwe. So right now, I'm going to take you way back in time. DJ, give me a tune coming from the veteran artist representing our proud Africa. A tune called what? Reaching out to all the elders. Selector, ready when you're ready? Give me a big man tune, big man time. Lego, squeeze. Remember this one? Lego. What you mean, man? Yo, Mr. Selector, why you go and like you want sabotage the things there? What you mean, my youth, scene? Much love and respect. I will say love and like and share the page. I saw the thing I go on. I think called Gara Mumba Part 6. Selector, are you ready? Deje Madara Edu. Remember this one. All the elders. Special tribute right now. I think got roots and culture. Yeah, man, representing got Zimbabwe. Straight.
This is Gore Gonzo. Famous, infamous, two different words. When we talk about famous, we're talking about people who are doing great things repetitively, mainly on the positive side. But when we talk about infamous, we are dealing with people that have a reputation in doing anything. When I'm not going to go beside over naked, when I'm not going to go to the gochera mwari dachka, ngirozi zaita party, otozikano, mwana unogobuda chingo bula, president, politicians, business people, vanhu vamwari achingo bula otoita mbiri, infamous. But today I'm not sitting down to talk about infamous people. And I'm sitting down here to celebrate our own famous icons, great people that brought a big impact in our lives as we were growing up. The 2000 ladies, girls and boys may not get what I'm saying, but we have had in the comedian drama sector great people. When I talk about great people, I'm talking about people like the Splendiferous Paraffin, Splendiferous Mukadota, Splendiferous Mtiro Fanza. We have the gospel sect. We have people like Apostle Kanjasi, people like the great evangelist, Chueshe. We go to the music sector. We deal with the idiosyncratic Dr. Oliver Mutokuzi, idiosyncratic Bundu Boys, James Chibadura. We have Nachimombe. We have Andy Brown. Great people that brought big impact in our industry. And I'm just sitting here to say they have to be celebrated, because when we deal with the word famous, it's not easy to be famous, because your life has to be stolen from you. I know this from experience. You can't be in any public restaurants. You can't go to the movies. You can't go. And families now, they they don't understand the subtrotomy of what we do, because they lose their lives, the connections with their fathers or mothers when we do great things like this. So I just sat here today to celebrate all the icons, not everybody, but some of the icons that brought impact into the nation of Zimbabwe. And I just say everybody needs to appreciate families that their fathers recording music for weeks and weeks, not being home for Zimbabwe to be great. So help me to stand with the musicians, the comedian sectors, and celebrate their families with small gifts that I, nobody else, I, from my pocket, together with my wife, pouring into these programs to celebrate the musicians, the comedians, and even people that are commenting today. I'm going to call in and celebrate everybody and appreciate some with small gifts of giving some people that are watching. So, in rounding everybody, I am not here to just celebrate people that were trying to be iconoclastic, but I'm here to celebrate the icons of Zimbabwe. And Zimbabwe, let's appreciate each other and raise each other higher than kupanyira munhu pasi. Haisi nguva yekupanyira munhu pasi, but nguva yekucelebrate nekusumudzana as Zimbabweans. Music industry and every kind of areas. Gara Mumba 6 is bringing this great wave of celebrating our own, the idiosyncratic movements and all these splendiferous movements that were taking place from the 80s, the 90s. Let's celebrate our own. God bless you. The Gaffer, Pasun Zava, signing out. Amen. Caramba, yoy. Caramba, yoy.
Wow, so much energy on the stage as usual. That was Abisha and Too Bad. Yeah, so I remember last time when I hosted the show with Patsani, a lot of you guys were saying, Kochi Mama Chiriku.
This is Goere Gonzo. Caramba. Ndini wenyu gafa, wema gafa, kusika pa gafa, anenge afa. Do not the person the Java. I'm so excited. Follow me on Instagram. Unongwati Prophet Passion. Obongwati Twaba.
Powered by Passion Java.
Garambawe. Dati Garambawe. House.
Famous. Infamous. Two different words. When we talk about famous, we're talking about people who are doing great things repetitively, mainly on the positive side. But when we talk about infamous, we are dealing with people that have a reputation in doing anything. When I know gonna go beside over naked, munanogona kungoti ndagochera mwari dachka ngirozi dzaita pati otozikanwa mwana unokubuda achingobhula president, politicians, business people, vanhu vamwari achingobhula otoita mbiri, infamous. But today I'm not sitting down to talk about infamous people, and I'm sitting down here to celebrate our own famous icons, great people that brought a big impact in our lives as we were growing up. The 2000 ladies, girls and boys may not get what I'm saying, but we have had in the comedian drama sect great people. When I talk about great people, I'm talking about people like the Splendiferous Paraffin, Splendiferous Mukadota, Splendiferous Mtiro Fanza. We have the gospel sect. We have people like Apostle Kanjasi, people like the great evangelist, Chueshe. We go to the music sector. We deal with the idiosyncratic Dr. Oliver Mutokuzi, idiosyncratic Bundu Boys, James Chibadura. We have Anachimombe. We have Andy Brown, great people that brought big impact in our industry. And I'm just sitting here to say they have to be celebrated, because when we deal with the word famous, it's not easy to be famous, because your life has to be stolen from you. I know this from experience. You can't be in any public restaurants, you can't go to the movies, you can't go, and families now, they don't understand the subtromy of what we do, because they lose their lives, the connections with their fathers or mothers when we do great things like this. So I just sat here today to celebrate all the icons, not everybody, but some of the icons that brought impact into the nation of Zimbabwe. And I just say everybody needs to appreciate families that their fathers recording music for weeks and weeks, not being home for Zimbabwe to be great. So, help me to stand with the musicians, the comedian sectors, and celebrate their families with small gifts that nobody else, from my pocket, together with my wife, pouring into these programs to celebrate the musicians, the comedians, and even people that are commenting today. I'm going to call in and celebrate everybody and appreciate some with small gifts of giving some people that are watching. So in rounding everybody, I am not here to just celebrate people that were trying to be iconoclastic, but I'm here to celebrate the icons of Zimbabwe. And Zimbabwe, let's appreciate each other and raise each other higher than kupanyira munhu pasi. Haisi nguva yekupanyira munhu pasi, but nguva yekucelebrate nekusumudzana as Zimbabweans. Music industry and every kind of areas. Gara Mumba 6 is bringing this great wave of celebrating our own, the idiosyncratic movements and all these splendiferous movements that were taking place from the 80s, the 90s. Let's celebrate our own. God bless you. The Gaffer, Passion Java, signing out. Amen.
Manerwa kanaka ziterang dinonzi Mbeu, the band rinonzi Modzi Tribe, so it's Mbeu and the Modzi Tribe. Takatangirwa magitare kupakare pa Art Center, nurtured and groomed by the legendary late Dr. Oliver Mtukudzi. And we are here to celebrate even zvavakasiya vatidzidzisawo sevana vekusenta. Kusenta kune vana vakawanda zvisingaite ma-artist akawanda who are doing good music. So we're just here to bring you 2 songs that otherwise. Thank you very much. Ngoromera wani arinanzo arinoshanda aringambatsire ingoromera wani mukoma wangu arinanzo arinoshanda aringambatsire zuva nezuva chitonge manza rengoromera arinanzo arinoshanda aringambatsire zuva nezuva chitonge mantare chipagira achinazo chinoshanda achingambatsire ngoromera wani arinazo arinoshanda aringambatsire ingoromera wani mukoma wangu arinazo arinoshanda aringambatsire zuva nezuva ritonge mantare ngoromera arinazo arinoshanda aringambatsire zuva nezuva chitonge mantare chipangira achinazo chinoshanda achingambatsire zuva nezuva ritonge mantare kana mombe arinazo arinoshanda aringambatsire. Zuva nezuva ritonge mantare ngoromera arinazo arinoshanda aringambatsire zuva nezuva chitonge mantare chipangira achinazo chinoshanda achingambatsire zuva nezuva ritonge mantare kana mombe arinazo arinoshanda aringambatsire. Thank you very much. Big up to my elder, Prophet Passion Java. Big up Zim Celebs. Maganyanya omana. We love you so much. So, Twisney, Nikodeko Tunguva Zajoga, Zanguvaira, Rogu Pedzira, Rwacho Tichiranga, the legendary. Thank you very much. Sarang Dunons Mbeu. The band is the Mozi tribe. Big up Kabizo. ngano dzedu dziye dzakaende piko kudya ngwendungu yengu akaende piko nyevendu iye yakaende piko kudya ngwendungu yengu akaende piko ayere yere mananga ayere yere ayere yere ayere yere magoda ayere yere ayere yere bumere nenge nyama ayere yere ayere yere munyemba mufushwa ayere yere magoda ayere yere ayere tema 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 kushikirarini kuchitiza mumburi wangu kushingirarini ayere yere ayere yere kushikirarini kuchinyana mumburi wangu kushingirarini ayere yere ayere koshangore tsikandidzikeyo tsikandidzikeyo mumburi wanje tsikandidzikeyo tsikandidzikeyo koshangore tsikandidzikeyo tsikandidzikeyo mumburi wanje tsikandidzikeyo fama murume Twabam. Big up Passion Java. Thank you very much.